Facing problems with your HP docking station and 3 monitors not working? Here's the direct solution. First, ensure all cables are securely connected. Check HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C connections for loose fits that can cause display failures. Next, update your graphics drivers. For Intel graphics, use the Intel Graphics Driver Installer. For AMD, use the Radeon Software Installer. Access updates through HP Support Assistant or Windows Device Manager. A simple reboot often resolves initial connection problems by refreshing system configurations and clearing temporary glitches. If issues persist after these quick fixes, proceed to advanced troubleshooting steps. HP docking stations function as multiplexers for video signals, converting inputs from USB-C or Thunderbolt connections into multiple output formats like HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C. However, bandwidth limitations often lead to display failures. For example, HDMI 2.0 has a maximum bandwidth of 18 gigabits, which may not be sufficient for high resolutions or refresh rates when driving multiple displays simultaneously. Integrated graphics processors, such as Intel UHD or AMD Vega found in many HP laptops, may struggle to handle high refresh rates like 144 Hz or 4K resolutions when powering multiple displays at once. HDMI connections are particularly prone to handshake failures, where protocol mismatches can prevent monitors from being detected or functioning correctly. To ensure better stability, prioritize DisplayPort or USB-C connections over HDMI, as they generally provide more reliable support for multiple display setups. Finally, sufficient power delivery of at least 65 watts is essential to prevent display throttling, especially when running multiple monitors with demanding content. For advanced users, NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Adrenalin allow custom resolution settings. Use HP's built-in diagnostic tools or the SmartFriend app for remote troubleshooting. Check Task Manager for GPU usage to identify bottlenecks. Test each monitor individually to pinpoint faulty connections or hardware. HP has implemented AI chips for predictive troubleshooting in 2025 models to reduce multi-monitor issues. Many users have resolved triple monitor issues by updating Intel Graphics Command Center to the latest version. Some face HDMI port burnout, requiring dock replacement under warranty. Enterprise deployments often benefit from HP's automated patch tools. Switching to DisplayPort from HDMI, as highlighted by TechQuickie, has proven effective. Remember to check for GPU usage, test with one monitor at a time, and use HP's diagnostic tool. Experts emphasize preventative maintenance to keep HP docking stations functioning properly. Ensure cables are properly inserted to avoid common user errors. This prevents connection issues in triple monitor setups. Regularly check for firmware updates from HP to maintain compatibility with the latest operating systems. HP engineers recommend proactive firmware checks to reduce issues before they occur. User education is key to avoiding common pitfalls in docking station setup. Clean ports regularly to avoid physical wear that can cause connectivity problems. The trend is toward universal docking with Thunderbolt 5, supporting 8K displays at 120 Hz and improved auto configuration. USB-C dominance is rising, with HP's models integrating this standard for seamless multi-device connections. HP is integrating AI chips for predictive troubleshooting, reducing triple monitor issues by detecting problems before they occur. Software-defined docks via cloud updates may eliminate hardware failures by allowing remote fixes and optimizations. HP forecasts increased demand for multi-monitor support, focusing on seamless experiences with hybrid work setups. While HP has improved docking reliability, user education remains crucial for optimal performance and issue prevention.